Hey there, welcome back to Tim Talks Cooking. Today we are talking keto ranch dressing, my friend. That's right, sugar-free keto ranch dressing. This is a great little recipe, very easy, very inexpensive. I think you're going to like it. Let's get started. Here's what you'll need to make this delicious sugar-free ranch dressing. It starts off with a half a cup of mayonnaise. This is my homemade French-style mayonnaise. I'll put a link to that up on the screen. A half a cup of sour cream, a half a cup of heavy whipping cream. We'll also need some flavorings and some spices. I've got some herbs here. These are all dried herbs. Half a teaspoon each of dillweed, chive, and parsley flakes. We're also going to need a half a teaspoon of garlic powder, a quarter teaspoon of onion powder, a quarter teaspoon of kosher salt, and an eighth of a teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. We're also going to want about 2 teaspoons of lemon juice and 2 teaspoons of white vinegar to give it that tang. This recipe is not complicated. We're just going to combine the ingredients here. I'm going to start off with the mayonnaise, the heavy whipping cream. Get all that in there. The sour cream. Our spices, the seasonings, and the lemon juice, as well as the 2 teaspoons of vinegar. We're going to use our whisk to whisk this together. And as you can see, it is going to have the liquid consistency of ranch dressing. We could also thin it out with some water if it were too thick. Sometimes your heavy whipping cream is pretty thick. Now, doesn't that already look like it would make a delicious dip? It's just exactly the right consistency. This is really just what we want. Well, all right, let's give it a taste here. We've got some nice raw cauliflower. I like to have a little ranch dressing on my crudité. That is so good. So tangy, got that lovely oniony, garlicky, chivey, dill sort of, it's just delicious. I love the tang from the vinegar and from the lemon juice. It's just delicious. I really hope you'll try this very simple recipe. I also hope that before you go, you will like, share on Facebook, on Instagram, on any social media you like, comment, and especially subscribe. Please subscribe. It helps my channel grow. And it also helps you find my videos, especially if you click on that notifications bell. You'll be notified every time I upload new videos, which actually is a couple of times a week. Thanks for joining us here today at Tim Talks Cooking. We'll catch you next time.